Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious sweet chili chicken thighs recipe. This is an easy chicken recipe that is so good. Let's get started. We're using chicken thighs for this recipe, and I've gone ahead and cut up my chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. We're going to marinate the chicken with some sweet chili sauce, soy sauce. Next, we're going to squeeze in some garlic paste, and we're also going to squeeze in some ginger paste. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Then allow the chicken to marinate in the sauce for at least 30 minutes. If you have time, let it marinate for hours. I marinated mine for 6 hours. Make sure you cover the bowl and place the chicken into the fridge to marinate. Next, we're going to put some cornstarch onto a plate, then season with salt and pepper. Then mix everything together. We're going to use the cornstarch to braid the chicken, so as soon as the chicken is done marinating, we're going to grab each piece, shake off the excess marinade, then place it into the cornstarch. Next, roll each chicken piece in the cornstarch to get coated on all sides. Once all the chicken pieces have been coated in the cornstarch, there is going to be some marinade left over in the bowl. We're going to keep this aside because we're going to use it to make a delicious sauce for the chicken. We're going to fry the chicken, so heat up some vegetable oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil gets very hot, place in the chicken. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. I recommend cooking the chicken in 2 batches. We're going to cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then turn them over and cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Once the chicken has developed this beautiful golden brown color, take them out of the pan, then set them aside for later. Next, we're going to repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Then as soon as they turn golden brown, take them out of the pan and set them aside with the first batch. Next, we're going to pour out all the oil we used for frying, then pour in the leftover chicken marinade we set aside earlier. Because the marinade has come into contact with raw chicken, make sure you let it simmer on medium heat for at least 5 minutes in order to kill any bacteria. Once the sauce has cooked, we're going to add the chicken. Then we're going to toss everything together and coat every single piece of chicken in the sauce. Allow the chicken to heat through for 1 minute, then this delicious chili chicken recipe is ready to be enjoyed. This sweet chili chicken thighs recipe came out so flavorful. The green stuff is just lime leaves that I used for garnishing. This is such a delicious chicken recipe. It's so good. I served the chicken over some sauteed rice and a side of vegetables. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.